Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best lunchbox to keep your meals fresh at school, work, the gym, or on the go? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 best lunchboxes available on Amazon. Whether you're a fitness fan, busy professional, home cook, or shopping for your kids, there's a perfect option here for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product, kitchen product insights.
Product number 1. Bentgo Kids 5-Compartment Lunchbox. Taking the number 1 spot is the Bentgo Kids 5-Compartment Lunchbox, one of the most popular lunchboxes for children. Designed with 5 perfectly portioned compartments, it makes packing balanced meals incredibly easy. The leak-resistant design helps keep food separated, so fruits, sandwiches, snacks, and veggies stay fresh without mixing together. Parents will appreciate the durable, drop-proof construction that's made to survive busy school days. It's also crafted from BPA-free materials, providing added peace of mind for daily use. The easy-open latches are designed specifically for little hands, allowing kids to open and close the lunchbox without assistance. Cleaning is simple thanks to the removable tray that's dishwasher safe. Available in several fun colors and playful designs, it's a favorite among both parents and children. If you're looking for a reliable, organized, and kid-friendly lunch solution, the Bentgo Kids Lunchbox is an outstanding choice.
Product number 2. Hydro Flask Lunch Bag. Coming in at number 2 is the Hydro Flask Lunch Bag, a premium option for anyone who wants excellent insulation and stylish design. Built with high-quality materials, this lunch bag keeps food cold for hours, making it ideal for work, travel, hiking, or gym sessions. The lightweight construction makes carrying meals comfortable, while the fully lined interior is easy to wipe clean after every use. Durable handles and strong zippers ensure long-lasting performance, even with daily use. Its modern design fits perfectly into professional workplaces, while still being practical for outdoor adventures. The spacious interior easily accommodates meal prep containers, snacks, drinks, and utensils. If you regularly pack healthy lunches and want dependable temperature retention, the Hydro Flask Lunch Bag delivers outstanding performance. Its premium build quality and trusted brand reputation make it a worthwhile investment for people who value freshness, convenience, and durability.
Product number 3. PackIt Freezable Lunch Bag. At number 3 is the PackIt Freezable Lunch Bag, a unique lunch bag with built-in cooling technology. Instead of using separate ice packs, the bag features freezable gel built directly into its walls. Simply fold it flat, place it in the freezer overnight, and it's ready to keep your lunch cold for hours the next day. This innovative design saves space while reducing extra weight inside your bag. It's perfect for office workers, students, travelers, and fitness enthusiasts who need fresh meals throughout the day. The roomy interior easily fits containers, snacks, drinks, and fruit without feeling cramped. Cleaning is quick with a simple wipe-down interior, while the sturdy zipper keeps everything securely stored. If you're tired of forgetting ice packs or dealing with melting messes, the PackIt Freezable Lunch Bag offers a smart, convenient solution that keeps food cool wherever you go.
Product number 4. MIER Insulated Lunch Box. The MIER Insulated Lunch Box earns the number 4 position with its combination of durability, storage space, and excellent insulation. Designed for busy professionals, construction workers, commuters, and outdoor enthusiasts, this lunchbox provides plenty of room for full meals, snacks, drinks, and even ice packs. Thick insulation helps maintain food temperature for extended periods, whether you're carrying hot lunches or chilled meals. Multiple compartments allow you to organize utensils, napkins, keys, and other small accessories separately from your food. The reinforced carrying handle and adjustable shoulder strap make transportation comfortable throughout the day. Water-resistant fabric and heavy-duty zippers improve overall durability, making it suitable for everyday use. Its sleek design looks professional while remaining practical for camping, road trips, or office lunches. If you want a spacious, dependable lunch bag that balances value, functionality, and long-lasting performance, the MIER Insulated Lunch Box deserves serious consideration.
Product number 5. FlowFly Kids Lunch Box. Taking the fifth position is the FlowFly Kids Lunch Box, a colorful and practical choice designed specifically for school-aged children. Its insulated interior helps keep lunches fresh until lunchtime, while the lightweight construction makes it easy for kids to carry independently. The roomy compartment accommodates sandwiches, snacks, drinks, and small containers without becoming bulky. Strong zippers and durable stitching provide excellent reliability during daily school use. The water-resistant exterior protects against spills and light rain, while the soft handle makes carrying comfortable. Available in numerous fun colors and playful prints, children can easily find a style they enjoy. Parents will appreciate the simple cleaning process and sturdy build quality that holds up well over time. If you're looking for an affordable, dependable lunch bag that combines attractive design with everyday functionality, the FlowFly Kids Lunch Box offers excellent value for families on almost any budget.
Product number 6, LifeWit Freezable Lunch Box. Rounding out today's list is the LifeWit Freezable Lunch Box, a versatile lunch solution that combines insulation with practical everyday convenience. Designed with thick insulated walls, it helps maintain food temperature for hours, making it suitable for work, school, travel, and outdoor activities. The spacious interior provides enough room for meal prep containers, beverages, fruits, and snacks, while remaining compact enough to carry comfortably. Durable construction, reinforced handles, and high-quality zippers ensure long-lasting use, even with daily commuting. Multiple pockets provide additional storage for utensils, napkins, phones, or small personal items. The interior lining is leak-resistant and easy to clean, making maintenance simple after every meal. Its modern appearance appeals to both men and women, while the practical organization suits busy lifestyles. If you're searching for an affordable, insulated lunchbox with generous storage and dependable cooling performance, the LifeWit Freezable Lunch Box is an excellent final recommendation. Thanks for watching my top 6 best lunchboxes review. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect lunchbox for your daily routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check the links in the description for the latest prices, and I'll see you in the next review.